What's up, Skyrim nerds? Today I'm unboxing the Dwarven Colossus statue for Elder Scrolls Online.
What? What the f?
Two pieces, looks like. So you just assemble the blade right here on his wrist. Goes like this. There we go. Show you a close-up of the box real quick. Here's the box without the sleeve. Here's the top. And then the back, which is really cool looking. And I have Alduin and Molag Bol right here. It's like the ultimate trio right there.
Dude, sweet.
We'll start with the Colossus here. The detail on this statue is amazing. You have the little gears in here and the sprockets, and then you have the blade on the wrist here. You have the pistons, the cannon, just all the way down to the detail is just, you got your vents here, and I just love it. It's beautiful. It's a great statue. Overall, for the price, I think it's worth it. It was $100 for the game, and you get a map and the statue. It's 100 or 120, I can't remember. Which is still, even if it was 120, it's still a good deal. This is a 12-inch statue, and it's really good quality. Okay, now this one's my favorite, the Alduin, and it's just insane the amount of detail they put into this thing. It comes off of the stand here, so like you could set it up on your shoulder or whatever. Yeah, I don't know why you do it. It's cool. Why wouldn't you say Alduin on your shoulder, mini Alduin? That'd be awesome. But the spikes, the horns, just the claws, even down to the dragonborn language here. It's just awesome. Then you've got Molag Bol here, and this is probably the most detailed statue here because you have all the exoskeleton, just all detailed. You've got his horns and his teeth, all the way that you can even see his eyes. He's got horns that go in the back. He's got claws on his feet, even down to the hammer. Every spike on the hammer, every little detail, his cloth, the two skulls here, even the dude that's about to get crushed right here on top. This guy right here, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, he is super detailed for being just a minimal part of the statue. It's awesome.
I mean, just look at these bad boys. Could you imagine them going head to head right here on this countertop? It'd be awesome. It'd be like watching the Small Soldiers movie, you know, back from the 90s or early 2000s or whatever that movie was.
Commando, attack!
All right, now that we're done with the statues, another cool thing you get with the Colossus is you get a map of the new area here. Let's see if I can get it. And the lighting is not the best over here. But there's the map, really nice. If you like what you see, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching this video. It means a lot. Later.